Hey everyone, Paul from TechZenik here. In this lesson of Python, we'll be learning about comments. Comments are a way to annotate your code. This means comments will not be read to the console, and this is especially useful when you want to make a note of what the code does to yourself and for others. But first, how do we write comments in Python? To write a single line comment, we use the hash symbol, so Shift3, and any sentence, word, or piece of code that's on this line will not be read to the console. For instance, if I write print hello world and run this code, as you can see, print command hello world isn't showing up on the console because it's in a comment with this hashtag. Compare it to this print statement that says you can see me. Notice on line 3, this print hello world is in a comment, and on line 4, print you can see me isn't in a comment. So when we run this code, line 3 doesn't print, but line 4 does. There's also ways to make a multiple line comment. To do this, we use 3 quotation marks as the opener and 3 quotation marks again to end the multi-line comment. Any piece of code, words, numbers, sentences between these 3 quotation marks will not be read to the console. For instance, if I put print hello world, print numbers, even if I write a sentence, this sentence will not be printed to the console. You can write notes here too. If I run this code, none of this is printed. And this is how a multi-line comment works in Python. Now you can write notes to yourself and for others to make your code more clear. Thank you for listening. See you guys in the next lesson.